Painite is a very rare borate mineral. It was first found in Myanmar by British mineralogist and gem dealer Arthur C.D. Payne, who misidentified it as ruby until it was discovered as a new gemstone in the 1950s. When it was confirmed as a new mineral species, the mineral was named after him. Due to its rarity, painite can cost in the range of between US dollars 50,000 and $60,000 per carat. That's expensive. Chemical composition of painite. The chemical makeup of painite contains calcium, zirconium, boron, aluminum, and oxygen. So as you can see here, the chemical makeup in like symbols. So calcium Ca, zirconium Zr, aluminum Al, but then it says 9 next to it. So 9 atoms of aluminum and 15 atoms of oxygen and 3 atoms of boron. The mineral also contains trace amounts of chromium and vanadium, which are responsible for painite's typically orange-red to brownish-red color, similar to topaz. The mineral's rarity is due to the fact that zirconium and boron rarely interact with each other in nature. The crystals are naturally hexagonal in shape, and until late 2004, only two had been cut into faceted gemstones. Discovery and occurrence. Extensive exploration in the area surrounding Mogok, which comprises a large part of the extremely small region the mineral is known to exist in, has identified several new painite occurrences that have been vigorously explored, resulting in several thousand new available painite specimens. Thank you for listening to me.
Amethyst by Ashwat of SDC. Its structure. Amethyst is a purple variety of quartz and owes its violet color to irradiation, impurities of iron, and in some cases, other transition metals, and the presence of other trace elements, which result in complex crystal lattice substitutions. The hardness of the mineral is the same as quartz, thus making it suitable for use in jewelry. Its value. Up until the 18th century, amethyst was included in the cardinal or most valuable gemstones, along with diamond, sapphire, ruby, and emerald. However, since the discovery of extensive deposits in locations such as Brazil, it has lost most of its value. Collectors look for depth of color, possibly with red flashes if cut conventionally. As amethyst, Dhruti saw chatting in Hangouts.
No one, I'm not chatting.
No, I
Okay.
didn't see Dhruti was sending.
Yeah.
No, I'm
As
not chatting
amethyst,
with anyone.
Who's?
Happy Diwali, folks.
up until the 18th century, amethyst was included in the cardinal or most valuable gemstones. However, since the discovery of extensive deposits in locations such as Brazil, it has lost most of its value. Collectors look for depth of color, possibly with red flashes if cut conventionally. As amethyst is readily available in large structures, the value of the gem is primarily defined by carat weight. This is different from most gemstones, where the carat weight exponentially increases the value of the stone. The biggest factor in the value of amethyst is the color displayed. The highest grade amethyst, called deep Prussian, is exponentially rare, and therefore, when one is found, its value is dependent on the demand of collectors. It is, however, still orders of magnitude cheaper than the highest grade sapphires or rubies. Where is it commonly produced? Amethyst is quite common and is found on all continents, with the larger deposits currently being mined in South America, Africa, and North America. The largest global producer is Brazil, with an annual production of around 2 to 3,000 tons, followed by Zambia, producing about 1,000 tons per year. Thank you.
Rose quartz presentation by Swarni. Rose quartz is the stone of universal love. It restores trust and harmony in relationship, encouraging unconditional love. Rose quartz purifies and opens the heart at all levels to promote love, self-love, friendship, deep inner healing, and feelings of peace. Although quartz is one of the most common minerals on the earth, natural rose quartz is one of the rarer colored varieties of crystalline quartz. Still, it's not an expensive gemstone. The most coveted color are pure to purplish pink. These colors are hard to find with transparent clarity, instead showing a milky look. Rose quartz, stone of gentle love and symbol of beauty, can be used to attract love and anger, jealousy, and resentment. Magnifier of the heart, good for resolving issues of the heart. 10 benefits of rose quartz. Increases self-worth, use it to call in your soulmate. Gentle, loving stone, helps in forgiveness, increases self-esteem, expands heart energy, helps elevate grief, increases empathy, increases self-esteem, helps foster love between partners. Thank you.
Pumice by Dhruti of SGC. Pumice is a fine-grained volcanic rock. It is very light gray to medium gray in color. You can see the background for the image. Pumice is a term for lightweight volcanic rock. It is solidified frothy lava created when highly heated, pressured molten rock is shot out from a volcano. Its light weight is due to air spaces which are caused by fast cooling and loss of pressure. The loss of pressure makes bubbles by lowering the boiling point of the lava, like the bubble creation when a carbonated drink is opened. The cooling then freezes the bubbles in the matrix. So this is where you'll find pumice under the vegetable mold. This is the lava this is the volcano, and here the lava flows. So this is pumice here amongst the volcanic rocks. It's a kind of volcanic rock. Okay, its uses. Pumice is a very lightweight, porous, and abrasive material, and it has been used for centuries in the construction and beauty industry, as well as in early medicine. It is also used as abrasive. So what is abrasive? It's basically its meaning is capable of polishing or cleaning a hard surface by rubbing or grinding. Okay, abrasive, especially in polishes, pencil razors, and the production of stone washed jeans. Pumice was also used in the early bookmaking industry to prepare parchment paper and leather bindings. There is high demand for pumice, particularly for water filtration, chemical spill, contaminant, cement manufacturing, horticulture, and increasingly for the pet industry. So horticulture means the cultivation of fruits and vegetables and flowers. So composition of pumice. Pumice is primarily silicon dioxide, some aluminum oxide, and trace amounts PF other oxide. Small crystals of various minerals occur in many pumices. The most common are feldspar, auger, hornblende, and zircon. Let us see a special ability of pumice, its floatability. Pumice has air trapped between the holes of its surface, which makes it floatable in water. So here's an image of it. Some questions. Is pumice toxic? Pumice is an excellent filler. It is non-crystalline by nature, non-toxic and non-hazardous. Does pumice absorb water? Pumice will not absorb water like a sponge, but it can hold water in its many glassy pores on the surface of the rock. The water will not damage the stone. And also it's not ignitable, which means it is not flammable. So it doesn't catch fire. So these are some of the uses. This is for medicinal purposes, and this is for smoothing your nails and all. This is for scrubbing. This is pumice is also used as a body scrubber, or you say a soap. It's a soap. So here are all the uses. This is the pumice soap, pumice powder. Oh, thank you.
Marble. Marble info. Marble is a metamorphic rock. Marble is commonly used for sculptures and as a building material. The Taj Mahal is entirely made of marble. This is the Taj Mahal. And these are some other sculptures which are made of marble. There are also a lot of sculptures, but these are only some of them. Products made from marble. These are some cups and some jars and a lot of products. These are all made from marble. Uses of marble: stairs, flooring, sinks, fountains, columns, walls, and tabletops. This is the marble rock. What color do marble come in? Marble comes in numerous colors. These are just some of the colors which I'm going to tell now. Cream, black, red, yellow, brown, white, bronze, and gray. So these are all the flooring with different colors. And this is the rock again. Facts. Marble is created over hundreds of years. All marble has one of a kind patterning. Marble is available in numerous colors. Marble does not hold heat. Marble is extremely durable. Did you know that lots of famous sculptures are made of marble? Did you know lots of major mountains are made of metamorphic rock? Thank you.